top, and then the rest is going on the kitty thing, and then the browns and the golds, and all right.
Roger.
Okay, a little bit here, just because I need to keep it, and then we're all going here. Because these guys, I've been making them too thick, so we're gonna try to just make them with the bare. I'm gonna make them, somebody says they don't fit, so now they're getting the scrap heap on one of the barrel's colors, but that'll be okay because it should make like a cool, some sort of motley shies.